We took a little break from bear hunting, came down to South Arizona to do some dove hunting. It was a holiday weekend, Labor Day, horrible, a lot of people up there. So we're just down here in South Arizona doing some dove hunting. What are we doing out here today? Missing that dove I should have shot, because you should be recording. We got Axel. I'm not only a houndsman, we go to shoot dove. Isabel, she's fat. Axel, who's very green. So me and Trevor are out here in southern Arizona doing some dove hunting this weekend. Took a break from the last weekend of archery bear. Too many people up there to deal with. We're gonna see what Axel does today. He's a real green dog. I just got this here, and then Isabel's just fat. It's okay. I got Trevor to fetch me some birds, huh? So stay tuned. So every year we have a big dove breakfast, and I was lazy and wanted to hunt yesterday, and I did not. I was lazy, wanted to hunt yesterday, and didn't film. I just need somebody to film every time I go somewhere, because you get excited, you start shooting, and you don't think about filming. But I did win a shotgun that we give away. We gave away a shotgun for first prize on a skeet shoot we do. Very simple. We have biscuits and gravy in the morning. A lot of people come out. I think we had, I don't know, 30 people yesterday. It's a weekday. Weekdays we don't get them as much. So missed one, didn't we?
Yeah.
As soon as I said we're gonna walk back to the truck.
I had no time to turn the camera on, so I just turned it.
You know how good a cameraman is. Trevor is today. See how fast he can move. They'll start flying here pretty quick. Come on, little birdies. Come on.
Right there.
Oh. Too far. Too far. Advice from an 8-year-old. Get it ready to be on your shoulder, ready to aim. You know why we're not seeing them? Got my camera on the gun. Right there. Coming through the trees. Get that bird. Good girl. She found that one. That one was a little bit far. My other bird dog. Don't worry, I'm not pointing a gun at him. I moved my camera. Don't move, don't move. Isabel, go get that bird. Crap. Good girl, Isabel. Good boy, Axel. Good. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Good boy. Get that bird. Get that bird. Back out today, huh? Got Lyndon today. Trevor's sleeping. Didn't want to get up.
He's lazy.
Got Isabel and Axel again. Axel ate one of my birds yesterday. See how good Lyndon does on filming. My goodness, look at my hair. Got some pups going out today. Here, yeah. Nothing like getting with puppies. I think we got skunk this morning. What do you think? Huh? No, I see nothing. No dove here today. Maybe that storm. Literally seen 4 doves the whole time I was here. Maybe go hit another spot. Then go home and make some breakfast. Try to find a coyote. Shoot them pistols you got for your birthday. What happened this morning?
We didn't get no boots.
Picked the wrong spot this morning, didn't we?
Should have went to the nursery.
I think we'll go see if we can find another spot. Well, let's go to Circle K and grab us something to nibble on, and then see if we can find us another spot or a coyote to chase. Think you could blast one with your pistol?
Yeah, try.
I bobcat hunting here, and it's ridiculous. I'd roll my window down, but I just got them tinted. But
And then you see bobcat running everywhere.
But it's ridiculous thick over there. Ridiculous thick.
Like you can't
Ridiculous.
see them.
You gonna keep talking? It's ridiculous thick over there. It's hard. It's hard to chase them in there. I mean, it's thick. It's full of mesquite, so you get cut up. Go find us another spot. What you say, homie? Well, we hit another spot, didn't we? Got a couple birds. We actually
Found one laying down dead.
it wasn't dead, it was alive. My dogs found one that someone shot and it's still running down the little wash.
I know.
On to the next spot. This one was a dud too. Well, we found another spot. We got a few more birds. Thick.
Yep.
Thick. We had to walk through. Hi, the bell. 7:30. Dogs act like they're 200 degrees out. Get that bird. Oh, there you go.
And you shot one. So we got
Good boy, Axel.
we got 4 total.
Good boy, Axel.
I think we got 4
Good
total.
boy, Axel. Bring him. Well, I'm gonna go do an afternoon hunt. Got Trevor with us. How's the weather out there, Trevor? Good? Hot? Get all sweaty, huh? We got Lyndon with us. What do you think, Lyndon? How's the weather out there?
Pretty hot.
Pretty hot? We're gonna head out in the desert. See if we can't pick up some dove. I think after that storm, they didn't fly too much.
We're at the pond right now, hunting for some dove.
Got our secret pond, huh?
And wanna hop in? It's a good pond. Wanna hop in because it's so hot. I know. It's the world's tiniest frog. I can't wait to, Dad.
Little tiny one frog, huh?
They're tiny. And throw it back in.
Right. This is a pond I hunt for bobcat, and I think I told this story before. Many years ago, we had a mountain lion step in a trap, and we used to trap back here. A bunch of frogs.
Yeah, right there.
Yep. The desert toads. But it's a cool little pond. Real thick with mesquite. And falcons flying around. Mosquitoes flying around. We have to go get some off.
Oh, we got that one good.
Good boy, Axel. Bring here. Axel, here. Axel,
I'm
here.
holding. I hold the camera here.
Good boy. Axel, bring here, Axel.
It's a bird. I'll get the other one.
Get that bird.
That bird. The bird. You forgot to say bird.
Get that boy. Bring it here, Axel. Don't chew it. Good boy. Watch this one.
No, you kind of hit it. You winged it. Good shot.
Bird, good boy.
You shoot it.
All right. Another morning, right? Trevor's the only one that got up. We're gonna go out. Turn my light on. We're gonna go out and try to get us some more dove today. Maybe shoot some rabbits with your 22.
So just back pistols right here.
Sunday morning, we're gonna go out again and try to get us some more dove over down here. Made some good dove chili yesterday. You didn't get to eat none of that, did you?
No.
You should try some of that today for lunch.
I did have some chicken wings.
Yeah, you did. Your dove ain't flying so much this year. Not like some years. They ain't dead though. We went out to the desert yesterday. Been to the canal, to the nursery. Went out to the desert yesterday. That was a good little hunt. Got my limit. Some of it was fast shooting, some of it not so much. I lost a few birds to these falcons that were flying around. My dog ate a bird, so he's not happy with me. Huh? Again, he's young. Mainly we're just trying to train his dog. He'd be a good duck dog, for sure. I'm trying to get him not to chew my birds. My yellow lab, very light mouth. Love it. She's just real fat, lazy. So we're gonna go hit the palm trees today. Another spot that we got. See if we can get some birds. Maybe make some dove tacos. Got us a different spot today, huh? I'm gonna try the palm trees. Oh, actually wound up already. Isabel's just still fat. This dog walks to where he touches me. Kind of annoying. And then he looks at me to see if he can go out. Too far. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Find that bird. Find that bird, actually. Well, we got one bird, huh?
Yep.
Well, we found this a good dove spot, but someone forgot the camera. Who was that?
Me.
Yep. Man, it would have been a great spot. Got our limit.
We almost caught a coyote.
Almost, we did. Trevor almost shot him a coyote. I went to my side. I went to shoot at a coyote. I forgot that those 22 pistols had a safety on it. Hey. So, no coyote, but we got birds. Now we're gonna go home and make what?
Dove taco.
We're gonna make us some carne asada dove tacos. All I do is put my thumb in there, rip the breast out, pop the wings. Yeah, we got the breast. Clean them up a little later. Well, we're headed back out again. Sunday afternoon. We went swimming at a little canal down here, huh? His foot got cut up. They were chasing fish up down, but the dove were flying like crazy from the west. I'm hoping they come back from the east to water. We're gonna go we'll go check it out. See if we can shoot some dove.
Like and subscribe.
You heard the boy. All right. See you in a bit. God. Over you. Done. Lock it, lock it. Hey, Axel here. Hey. Get that bird. Good boy. Axel, bring it. Good boy, Axel. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get that bird. My brother's too cheap to buy a bird dog. He went to the pound and he picked up some dogs. And this is his bird dog he's training to fetch, and it's actually fetching. Come on, fetch your dog.
Oh, get him, baby.
The bird dog. He can't see shit. Yep.
That's him.
My brother's too cheap to buy a bird dog, so he went to the pound and got him a bird dog.
50 bones, dude fetches.
He does fetch. Well, we came to the canal again. A feather in my beard. Thought it was going to be good. Got good the last 10 minutes. Go hit our secret spot in the morning. I made some dove chili yesterday, and I made some carne asada with dove today. Make some street tacos. And my dad hates dove. And I think he ate 2 bowls yesterday of that chili and like 4 street tacos today. I'd share the recipe, but I don't know what it was. I just threw it all in like I always do. And I never write it down, so it's always different. But got one more day, Labor Day. Come on, load up. Come on, Isabel. Watch this fat dog try. Come on, Isabel. Come on, Isabel. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Come on, Isabel. Come on, Isabel. Come on, Isabel. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Isabel. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Isabel. Come on, Isabel. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Good. Get up there. Oh. Come on, Isabel. Oh. Big fat dog.
Barely make it. The fat one.
Sometimes she jumps in. Sometimes you don't.
Sometimes you don't. What is it called?
70 degrees is not cold.
It is cold.
Where's your hat?
Got it.
Try a spot we went to the other day. See how it goes today. Monday, Labor Day. I see someone hunt down there, so we'll see if they whine that we're here. Good boy. Bring here, Axel. Good boy. Damn it. I really miss that. Get that bird. Get that bird. Go. Find that bird, Axel. Find that bird. Find the bird. Find it. Find it. Isabel, get the bird. Find the bird. Here comes something. Get that bird. Get that bird. Get that bird.
It's going down. I didn't get the camera.
Get that bird.
Live. Bring it to Papa. Good thing she killed it. It's on now.